Hello, I'm Nicole, the artist behind Art by Nicole, and today we're going to draw some magnolias. So stay tuned. I'm using my Nic Pro 0.5 millimeter lead. The reference I'm using today is from Pinterest, and it's just a couple pink and white magnolias, and a couple buds. I thought it very fitting for this springtime weather we're currently experiencing here in Ohio. Although I'm pretty sure we'll get at least one more snow before actual spring starts. Because that's the way it goes. If you don't like the weather in Ohio, give it 15 minutes. Okay. So to start, I'm going to block in my shapes. So there's one up here that's kind of like cone. And there's one that's kind of like an O. Got a bud out here. And a bud down there. And this one, you can see the center. Okay, now that I've got my sketch in, I'm going to go ahead and erase the lines that I don't need. So I overestimated how big I was going to draw these, but that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and lighten up some of these lines, and then I'm going to try to work with alcohol markers today. We'll see how it goes. I need a really pale pink, and I'm using the Sanjoki art markers. They're just a generic alcohol marker, but you could use Ohuhu, Copic, whatever. You don't even have to use marker. This is an experiment. Like I said, I am not typically a marker person, but you can't learn if you don't try, right? And now the center in here has a lot of pink. It's also got some yellow, like a golden color. And we need some green for the buds, like an olive green. Oh, that's perfect. And then for highlight, now this isn't marker paper, so it is feathering quite a bit. Yeah, and we have bleed through. I'm going to put this between pages. Should have done that to begin with. I knew it was going to bleed onto the backside. I did not expect it to bleed onto the other page. And we use a stem color. See if this darker pink will work. That should be okay. So I've got a nice base layer here with the marker. I think what I'm going to do is come in with colored pencil to finish it off. So let me clean up and get the colored pencils. Okay, I have a variety of colored pencils here. Some pinks, some yellows and golds, browns and greens. And the pencils I'm using are Prismacolor and the Black Widow brand colored pencils. I have the full set of both of those. Again, we'll start with this bud up here. And I'm going to use this putty beige and a rosy beige, nectar, and blush pink. And then for the bright pinks, we're going with Maiden Pink from the Dragon set. And for the greens, we're going with Artichoke for the darker bits, and Kelp Green. For the stem, I got a couple colors here. Sandbar Brown, Sepia, and Olive Brown from the Skin set. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the stem colors. Might as well finish up the green while I'm here. Let's work on these flowers. Okay, for the middle, I have Spanish orange, canary yellow, and maiden pink. Now, what I did forget to grab was a white for some blending, so let me get that. And this is just a plain white Prismacolor. And there we have it, my first attempt with alcohol marker and colored pencil. I think it came out rather nice. Very springy, which is what I wanted to achieve today. Also got in, although limited alcohol marker, I got in a little bit of practice with it. Let me know if the springtime weather is triggering your itch to draw flowers as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.